Hello guys, this is CryptoWise here and welcome to another video. I hope you guys are doing great. So this video is especially for you guys that I wanted to give something back to you guys. I made a giveaway video previously and I decided to make another video for the giveaway. This time the terms and conditions to participate in the giveaway are very easy. So let us see what you need to do to participate in the giveaway. So there are only two simple steps that you need to perform in order to participate in the CryptoWise giveaway, and I will be giving away this TechClass X90 Air Pro Windows 10 tablet worth around to $60. So first of all, you need to subscribe to CryptoWise YouTube channel and share with your friends. So very simple step. Also click the bell icon. Then you need to write your name in the comment section of any video, and this is it. So these are the two simple steps to participate in the giveaway, and I will select the winner randomly when we will reach around 250 subscribers. Keep supporting CryptoWise channel and be the part of CryptoWise family. And those of you who are supporting me from the beginning, you guys really matter a lot to me. I will never forget the first 10 subscribers that I had in this channel. I never did any kind of promotion for this channel and never promoted my videos. It is all because of your love and support that I reached 90 subs in a month, and I promise you that I will try to provide you the best possible cryptocurrency knowledge and the best possible videos in the future. So please stay tuned. Good luck everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to participate in the giveaway. Bye bye guys.